When I started my Facebook page in July, I had 0 followers. Like most beginners, I kept wondering, how am I going to grow this page? Today, the same page has over 30,000 followers and not a single one of my posts went viral. I have used this same strategy on other Facebook pages too, and it worked every time. The secret Facebook groups. They helped me get my content in front of people who were already interested in what I posted. Therefore, in today's video, I will show you exactly how to find Facebook public groups and use them to grow your page. Everything I will share comes from my personal experience, so make sure you watch until the very end of this video. Most importantly, this is the very first YouTube video that shows you exactly how to find Facebook public groups the right way, so stay tuned. The first method is what I call the search bar method. This is probably the method almost everyone uses because it's quick and easy. Here is how it works. Open the Facebook app and tap the search icon. Then type in your niche or category. For this example, I will search for travel. Next, tap on the groups tab. You will now see a list of groups related to your search. As you scroll through, look for public groups. Before you join any group, make sure it meets these 3 requirements. First, it must be a public group. You can easily check that from the group information. Second, the group should be active. For example, this group has over 1,000 plus posts today, which means people are posting regularly. That is a good sign because it gives your post a better chance of being seen. Third, check who is posting in the group. This step is very important. Some public groups only allow admins and moderators to create posts, even though anyone can join. Therefore, if you join those groups, you won't be able to post your own content. To avoid that, scroll through the recent posts. As you can see, this post was made by a regular member, same as this, and even this. None of these people are admins or moderators. That tells us that regular members are allowed to post. That makes this a good group to join. The search bar method works well, but it's not the only way. Let's move on to the second method. The second method is also very useful because it helps you find public groups that may not be directly related to your niche, but can still help you reach more people and increase your engagement. Here is how it works. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu button, then scroll down and tap groups. Next, tap discover. You will see a lot of groups recommended by Facebook. Take your time and go through them one by one. Before joining any group, make sure it meets the same requirements I mentioned earlier. First, confirm that it's a public group, then check if it's active by looking at the recent posts and group activity. Finally, scroll through the posts to make sure that regular members, not just admins and moderators, are allowed to post. Once the group passes these checks, you can go ahead and join it. The third method is another strategy I use to find public Facebook groups, and it's really simple. Here is how it works. First, join any public group and make a post. After that, wait until your post gets a few likes or comments. Even just a like is normal. Once it starts getting some engagement, open the post from your notification, then scroll down until you see the related group section. Now, Facebook will recommend other groups that are similar to the one you posted in. Go through those groups one by one and make sure they meet the same requirements I mentioned earlier in this video before you join them. Now, before I show you the final method, I want to share a bonus tip with you. This simple trick has helped me get people to follow my Facebook page directly from Facebook groups. So make sure you stay until the very end, and if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. The last method takes a little more effort and time, but it is one of the best ways to find high quality public groups. Here is how it works. Look for Facebook pages that post content similar to yours. Write down the names of a few of these pages. Tap the search bar and search for each page by name. Then scroll through the search results and look for posts from that page. When you find one of their posts, check which group they shared it in. Visit those groups and make sure they meet the same requirements I mentioned earlier before you join them. Before I end this video, here's the bonus tip that helped me grow my Facebook page. This method is simple, but you need to be consistent if you want to see great results. Here is how it works. Open the Facebook app, tap menu, then go to professional dashboard. Next, tap community, swipe left and select invite people. Over here, you see people who have reacted to or engaged with your post but don't currently follow your page. Tap invite to send them a page invitation. You can also refresh the page to get more suggested posts and send more invites. Keep in mind that Facebook only lets you invite up to 100 people at a time, and you mostly see these suggestions after you started posting in Facebook groups. And that is it. These are the exact method I personally use to find public Facebook groups. videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification because I'll be sharing more Facebook growth tips and strategies that actually work. Also, if you have any question, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer every one of them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.